Hey, how you doing? I have bass guitar solos for beginners today, so stick around. You're going to get some tips on how to make your soloing a lot easier and more effective, so just stick around. So if you don't know me yet, I am Donald Witt, the bass instructor at the How to Play Bass online course at iwannaplaybass.com, where we go over everything from the fundamentals to advanced improvisational skills. You get it all there. So jump over there when you're done watching your YouTube videos. Jump over there, subscribe, become a member for free, and get your free ebook, like a $10 value, on setting your bass up, from everything from adjusting the fret nut, from your neck relief to your saddles to your pickups, everything you need to adjust your bass to you, which is definitely something you need to do. It makes it just a lot better to play with that book. So, and subscribe down below if you haven't yet. If you're new to this channel, subscribe down below, hit the bell notification. You'll be notified when new videos come out, because I'm putting out new stuff all the time, little tips and stuff like that on bass guitar, blues bass, and stuff like that. But for the full access, jump over to iwannaplaybass.com and enroll and get started on your bass playing journey. So today I'm going to talk about bass guitar solos for beginners. Now, soloing is not easy. It's not easy. Just to make every note sound perfect in a solo isn't easy. It takes experience, and a lot of experience, and a lot of trial and error to get there. But one way to approach soloing is mainly focus on the rhythms, the rhythmical phrase that you want. Just focus on that, and that typically will get you through the rough spot, if so. But because improvising, you have to improvise. You don't want to keep playing the same lines over and over. So the best way to do that is come up with a rhythmical phrase and just hammer that out through your solo. And it is a very effective way to do it. So for instance, like if you're coming up in a bass solo, and today's stuff's going to be in the key of F. Okay, so we're just going to be in the key of F, and take a rhythm, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2. So that's your rhythm. So we're going in F. Don't have to have 5,000 notes per measure. They do not have to have. They just have to be melodic and have a phrase to them. You can rephrase the melody if that's another way that Jaco did a lot of his solos, was rephrasing the melody. He took the melody and he rephrased it. So if you learn the melody to the song, you can rephrase that in your solos as well. That's a little more difficult, but that comes, like I said, it all comes in time. But this is the easiest way. Just find a rhythm, and it could just be, quarter notes. I don't recommend just doing quarter notes. It'll almost sound like a walking bass line, and you want it to be a solo, so you want a rhythm to it. So just take 1 2 3 4. So you could do that for 4 bars. So you just take the notes of that F major, of whatever key you're in, just take the notes and put those in your rhythm. Now, a good way, you can do 2 bars. A good way to keep it a little more interesting, do that 4-bar idea first, but then as you get better at the whole idea, change it up. You can do 2 bars. Bars will be this rhythm: 1 2 3 4. So take that and go. Now the second, do another 2 bars and just change it up. 1 2 3 4. So just change up like that. Just take that rhythm and just use it, and don't, you don't have to just do about every 4 bars and switch up. You can do a consecutive 4 bars and then another 4 bars and then change it up. So just just change that up every now and then, because that's going to get a little boring for sure as a solo. So you can just introduce your bass solo with that simple bass line. And then your next phrasing will be, and then you can come right back to that rhythm you just did. So that's what you can do. So that's another way to use just rhythms, is just focus on rhythms and do them every 2 bars, do a different rhythm, and then come back 4 bars, do another different rhythm, and then come back to the first 4 bars you did. You don't have to use don't use the same notes, just use the same rhythms. That's the key. So just take it, and that's a perfect way to solo, and just practice with that. Get your loop going, and I've got one here. I'll just show you some right now, but I've got a loop here. Sorry, here we got our loop going. Let's get a few bars under our belt here. I'm just going to take a couple rhythms and just show you how to use them, okay? So we got, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I hope you got the idea out of that. Alright, so that's the idea. Just take a rhythm, just a simple rhythm, and convert that into a solo. And that's your rhythm phrasing is ideal to soloing. Even when you get advanced soloing and you don't need to think about rhythms, you're just thinking about notes and just melodies going on, you're still going to be using phrasing. Without a doubt, phrasings are what makes music. It's the rhythm phrasing that makes it, keeps it so unique, keeps everything so unique. And that's soloing. That's bass guitar soloing for beginners. This is just the beginner's idea of getting it going. So hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, hit that like button down there for me. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you want to hear more ideas or just anything. You can just leave a comment. Just let me know what your thoughts were. And hit that subscribe button. And I will catch you all on the flip flop. All right? Thank you all.